The expression whip up is a versatile and idiomatic phrase that can be used in various contexts to describe the act of creating or producing something quickly, often with enthusiasm and energy. It carries the connotation of urgency and effort, and it is frequently used in both literal and metaphorical senses. In its most literal sense, whip up is often used in cooking and culinary contexts. When a chef or cook whips up a dish, it means they are preparing a meal, dessert, or beverage with speed and skill. This might involve mixing ingredients, combining flavors, and using cooking techniques to create a delicious and satisfying result. Whipping up a meal can be a practical way to provide nourishment in a hurry, but it can also be an expression of creativity in the kitchen. Metaphorically, whip up extends beyond the kitchen. It is often used to describe the rapid generation or creation of something, such as excitement, emotions, or support. For example, a talented speaker might whip up enthusiasm among their audience through an inspiring speech. Similarly, a skilled marketer can whip up interest in a product or campaign by using persuasive techniques and captivating content. In political and social contexts, whip up can have a somewhat negative connotation. It is used to describe the act of inflaming or intensifying emotions or opinions, often for manipulative purposes. Politicians, for instance, might try to whip up public sentiment to gain support for a particular policy or to mobilize voters for an election. This can involve using rhetoric, propaganda, or emotional appeals to stir people's passions and get them to take action. Whipping up can also be associated with the rapid and efficient completion of tasks or projects. In a workplace, a team might whip up a presentation or report to meet a tight deadline, showcasing their ability to work under pressure and deliver results quickly. This usage underscores the importance of teamwork, organization, and efficiency. Additionally, in the context of social gatherings and events, whip up can describe the act of preparing or organizing something swiftly. For instance, a host might whip up a last-minute party by inviting guests, preparing refreshments, and creating a festive atmosphere, demonstrating their ability to be spontaneous and hospitable. In conclusion, whip up is a flexible and dynamic phrase that encompasses a range of activities, from cooking and creative endeavors to influencing emotions and opinions. It captures the essence of quick and energetic production, often with a sense of urgency and enthusiasm. Whether in the kitchen, the workplace, or the realm of persuasion, whip up reflects the ability to create, produce, or mobilize in a rapid and effective manner.